Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is techniques of data collection. Today's subtopic is interview method. Dear students, interview is one of the most important method of gathering data in sociology. That involves the presentation, real, verbal, and reply in terms of oral, verbal response. Precisely. Dear students, it is the test of a candidate by which the interviewer collects the information about the candidate. There are different methods of interview like oral, written, intellectual. All sort of tests are used for selection procedures. Dear students, according to Newman, interview is a short-term secondary social interaction between the two strangers with the purpose one person obtains the specific information. Dear students, in other words, interview is a face-to-face from others interaction with respondents to a specific information. In interview, questions are pre-decided. It is seen that for data collection, in interview methods, only open questions are ended. Now, types of interview method. Dear students, there are many types of interview methods as suggested by various sociologists. One of the most popular in terms of individual and group interview. Number one, group interview. Dear students, when an opinion is taken from a collective group of persons collectively on an issue, that is known as group interview. Number two, individual. Individual interview. Dear students, in this type, when opinion is sought out by an individual in a strict basis, that is called the individual interview. Number three, structured interview. Dear students, in structured interview, response are collected through a structured questions. It is known as interview schedule. Number four, unstructured interview. In this type of interview, the main function of the interviewer is to initiate the discussion on topic under investigation. In this type of interview, researcher has to listen silently the discussion among the group and note down the important points. Dear students, during this course of action, if the discussion debate, then the researcher interrupt and drag the group back on the main points. These are the types of interview method. Now, this is all of today's topic. Okay, thank you.